What's going on, guys? I'm about to give the car a quick cleaning on the outside, a little bit on the interior as well. Got to install a couple panels and those miscellaneous pieces on the side that got painted. I got to take some good pictures before putting up for sale. Later on in the video, I'm going to do a little bit of cost breakdown, how much I bought it for, parts I purchased, and the paint cost. I would recommend this ice cream as well. Blue Lagoon or Blue Moon at Mitchell's. If you ain't got a Mitchell's around you, I'm sorry. But yeah, about to give this thing a quick wash, bring out that shine, see what happens. Stay tuned.
Oh, now that's an angle. Oh, the emblem, the emblem.
The emblem!
Gonna get that SRS or EPS issue figured out soon. Yep, there it is. So for now, stay tuned for the price breakdown. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little edit I did. You know, it was fun messing with the audio and the video clips and kind of learning a few new things along the way. So let's get into the cost breakdown. So I did a little Excel sheet, you know, basic price breakdown about what I paid for the car and everything involved. So when I bought the car, it was out of Tennessee. I paid $7,400 cash. I brought a buddy of mine that I gave him $100 to come with me, you know, because it was a few hours away. Didn't want to just, you know, have him come and leave empty-handed. So the price of the gas for the S2000 and the car we came with was about, you know, I would say $100. So giving him $100 and the gas $100 came up with $200. To get the car from Kentucky to Cleveland, it was about $50 in gas, and then I also threw in the tolls when I was going to Toledo in this one as well. Toledo gas, I put another $40. You know, it probably wasn't even that much because the car was a gas saver. The rear bumper I paid $150 for, and then the total cost for the paint and body work was $500. So that's basically a total of $83.40. Trying to think of anything else that I might have, you know, bought or paid for, but here's a few things that I'm planning to profit back on to kind of like, you know, lower the cost of the car a little bit. Those carbon fiber heat shields for the exhaust that go in the rear bumper, I'll plan on selling for $150. They're about $160, $170 new, but it just depends. You know, some people want to buy one and and if I sell one for $100, you know, I might get $50 out of the other one. We'll see. So the wheels also, I have another set of wheels I can throw on the car. So I plan on getting $500 out those wheels. So if I do sell that for around $750, the total cost, the grand total will be $75.90. So $7,500, you know, $7,600 for 05 98K, not a bad deal. You know, it does have some accident history, but overall, I'm happy with that price, and I definitely can't complain. So last but not least, don't forget to go here and hit that subscribe button. God bless, don't stress.
Yonder.